Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today we back for the Revolut crypto quiz because we got from Revolut new crypto quiz and I show you how to answer for this. How to find crypto quiz? Easy. Go to your Revolut app, go to section crypto and this view choose option discover, scroll a little below and we have new crypto quiz FREE. So push on this. And like you see, we have 3 lessons, and after this 3 lessons, we got some cryptocurrency, and you can sell it or you can keep it. Everything is depends on you, but I show you how to answer for these questions. So let's start. Lesson number 1. What is FREE? So read it, and if you're ready, we can start the quiz. What members of FREE community call it? FREE Vikings. What did FREE become DAO? All of the above. What are the 3 core pillars of the FREE ecosystem? Community, charity, and utility. And submit. Nice. We get some crypto for this lesson number 1. We can go to lesson number 2. FREE missions. Read about this. So if you're ready, we can start. What is FREE mission? To become the most known and used cryptocurrency in the world. Which of these are utility products in the FREE ecosystem? All of the above. What are some of FREE's charitable initiatives? All of the above. And submit. Nice. Second lesson done. We get next cryptocurrency. We can go to lesson number 3. Utility products. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can start the crypto quiz. What is a token FE? An all-in-one platform for creating token and tokenization real-world assets. What is FREE Valhalla? An immersive play-to-earn metaverse game. What is FREE Locker? A protocol to lock liquid pool tokens and digital assets. And submit. Nice, we finished all lesson and we earned crypto quiz. If you're first time here and you don't know how to answer for the rest of the crypto quiz, look on my blog, look on my rest of the videos on my YouTube channel. I put there all information for how to answer for this quiz. And if you doesn't have account on Revolut and you want to join and you want to support me, you can use my referral link, what I put in below this video and on my blog post. If you have any question, put this question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.